Listen guys, this cream right here is the best cream for your face and your body. If you have any acne, any bumps on your face, any dark spots, this is the best cream for you, okay guys? So you guys gonna go to my TikTok shop and place your order. You will not regret it. This cream right here, you don't need 1 month, 2 months for you to start seeing the result on your body or in your face. Any kind of bumps you have in your face, acne or dark spot, this is the cream for you. All right, this right here, this is the hair oil, hair growth oil. Okay, if you have your hair breaking, like your hair is going, you used to have long hair and then your hair is falling down, the oil you see up there, that was the hair growth oil you need to use for your hair. If you want your hair to restore, like going long again, this is the best hair growth oil for you. This cream right here for your face, acne, bumps, any dark spot on your face, this is the cream for you.